Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is a Monday, December 19th Weather Savants video. I'm still off today and tomorrow from KOAM. I'm going to be back in on Wednesday, so make sure you check in with Sam Lane tonight. He's going to have all the latest on the big changes, which are going to be rolling in as we go through the next few days. Plus, we're going to go over that now as well. We're going to take a look and see what's going to happen as we go through the next 4 or 5 days. I know we usually do kind of long range forecasting, but because we have so much going on in the short range, we're going to kind of take a look at that. All right, I want to give a huge shout out to my guys, Superior Roofing and Construction. They're a four-state family owned premier roofing contractor. They're located at 7th and High in Joplin Street, of course. I used them for my roof. I think you should as well. So give them a call. Number is on your screen. All right, let's see what's going on. So, first off, we had a very weak wave that rolled through today, and this gave us, I saw a few flakes of snow. I mean, we had kind of a rain mixed with snow a little bit earlier this morning, but most of this is kind of rolling off toward the east at this point in time. In fact, let's take a look at the radar. Let's see where all this is. So this is all across central eastern parts of Missouri. You can see in the green, this is rain showers. We did get some light accumulations of snow across northeastern Kansas into southeastern parts of Nebraska. We got some light accumulations, a dusting upwards to half an inch to an inch. But now we're seeing the light snow kind of across Nebraska, eastern parts of Missouri, and this is all working into Illinois. So this is working out of the region, and that's what we're going to watch as we go through the rest of the evening hours for us tonight. All right, so let's see what's going to happen because it gets kind of crazy as we go through the next few days. First off, this evening, temperatures, they do warm right around 40, 41. So it's cold, but it's not like super cold across the region like it's going to get a little bit later on this week. We are going to have a lot of clouds sticking around. Could see a few random little snow flurries across the region. Let's go into tomorrow morning still. Couple little flurries out there. Temperatures not awful. We drop back right around freezing for overnight lows. And then Tuesday afternoon, mostly cloudy skies. We just don't get much in the way of sunshine this time of the year, especially once you get into the months of January and February. Even into March, we get a lot of cloudy days. All right, so tomorrow afternoon, very similar to what we're seeing now. A lot of clouds, high temps right around 40. As we go into tomorrow night, let's go into Wednesday. Still, a lot of clouds. We do get a southerly wind back, so this is going to help us go into lower 40s for afternoon highs. But this is when our very strong Arctic front starts to push in. As we get into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, look at the band of snow. And you can almost see a little bit of curvature within. That's right along the front. So look at Kansas City. So here's 2 a.m. on Thursday morning. 24 at 17 Salina. It's 24 in Wichita. We have showers developing across a four-state area, and then it quickly switches over to snow. And the winds really pick up behind this front. This is going to be a very strong, strong Arctic front. Want to widen the vantage point here just a little bit. All right, so let's go to 6:30 in the morning on Thursday. So now you have the front really from Kurtzville, Missouri, Warrensburg, Missouri, Joplin, Tulsa, Oklahoma City. So right along the I-44 corridor. Look at the temperatures behind it. So you have 39 in Joplin, you have 10 in Kansas City, you have -2 in Omaha, you have 4 in Topeka, you have 7 in Wichita, Dodge City, is sitting at 0 degrees. You have this band of snow behind it. It's not going to be extremely heavy snow. I think it's going to be light to moderate snow. But the ratios are going to be high, meaning the longer it snows, the drier the snow gets because the temperatures are really going to be dropping. The heaviest snow looks to be along the I-70 corridor from Salina, Topeka, Lawrence, Kansas City, probably over toward Columbia. And then the farther south you work, the lighter the snow is going to get. All right, so let's go through the morning hours on Thursday as this front barrels through. Look at this 10 a.m. Joplin went from 40 to 10. Actual temperature 10 degrees. You have Fayetteville sitting into the 20s, Jeff City at 25. Look at Kansas City sitting at 3-1 in Topeka. You have this band of light to moderate snow. It doesn't last long, maybe 6 to 7 hours, and then it pushes through. Here's 1 p.m. It's 2 in Kansas City. It's 1 in Topeka. These are not wind chills. These are actual temperatures sitting at 6 in Joplin. We are going to have any snow that falls is going to stick. It's going to be blowing around. So we are going to have some issues on the roadways across all of Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri. The greater issues are going to be eastern Kansas, western Missouri. Let's go into Thursday evening. The heaviest snow now across central Missouri over towards St. Louis, West Plains, Jonesboro, Arkansas, and then the back edge kind of through central Missouri down into northwestern Arkansas. Most of the snow is out of here by Thursday evening, but look at the temps. Let's go to Friday morning. With the snowpack on the ground, these are going to be cold. So we're talking -4 in Topeka, -4 in Kansas City, -3 in Joplin, 2 in Wichita. Look at Oklahoma City, 6, -4 in West Plains. But I haven't even brought up the winds. The winds are going to be out of the northwest at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So our actual temperature, 0 to -5. Wind chills are going to be -30 upwards to -40 by Friday morning. So this is dangerously cold. We do get a little bit of sunshine by Friday afternoon, but look at our temps. We're only warm up right around 10, 5 in Kansas City, 15 in Wichita, only 20 in Oklahoma City. And then as we go into Christmas Eve, we get some backside waves, so we can't even rule out some snow showers on Christmas Eve throughout the region. Temperatures, most of us, are going to be into the teens for highs. So I think the bigger story here is going to be the temperatures and the winds, but we're going to throw some snow on top of it. And of course, this is really going to up our chances for a white Christmas because it's going to stay so cold. Heaviest snow looks to stay across eastern Nebraska and through Iowa and northern parts of Illinois, where I think they're going to be kind of 4 to 8 inches. I would say Topeka, Kansas City, St. Louis, Rolla, Springfield, Joplin, Chanute, Nevada, kind of in that 2 to 3, maybe isolated 4-inch amounts. So for the Joplin Metro, I'm kind of thinking 2 inches. And then as you go a little bit farther north, a little bit heavier. Wichita, Tulsa, most of northwest Arkansas, over toward Jonesboro, probably 1 to 2 inches of snow. This is still 2.5, 3 days away. So this could go up, this could go down, but this is what we're kind of watching at this point in time. But I think the bigger story here is going to be the temperatures and the very strong winds with the very low wind chills, but we're going to throw some snow on top of this. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Make sure if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like the page, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications. Hope your Monday's going great. I actually have to get ready for a colonoscopy in the morning. Not too thrilled about doing the prep here over the next few hours. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great Monday.